So here's a new porch we built with the trellis in the background with the Katrina roses, Hurricane Katrina roses on the right-hand side. And I bought two bird of paradise, orange bird of paradise for the front here. And in front of that, the dead-looking things are Pocomoke crape myrtles or some sort of dwarf crape myrtles. And then I took, see those two spiky ones, the bright chartreusey green ones on the sides? Those are yucca plants that I cut off of, oh, you can see over there in the background. They were little pups coming off the side, and that one survived the fire pit for weeks, and I just stuck it in the ground, and it's beautiful, and it's growing pups, and it's probably 6 or 7 feet tall. And then over here we have, I transplanted a bunch of Thai plants that were kind of cold for the winter time. And then you could just see, like, we hung up swings. I have to still cedar the ceiling, but there's a nice ceiling fan and chairs and a little teak table. And then here's my Brodie juniper, and they cut down the pole over there, so the electrical pole is gone and the wires overhead are gone. And here's another Brodie juniper. They're doing fabulous. And over here we had to dig up some of the irrigation. So Joe was away in Nashville last week. He didn't have a chance to do it. Plus we're still out of hot water in the house because they busted our pipes, and I guess the pressure is too low and it won't go through the instant hot water heater. But in the meanwhile, I put in 2 false agaves or bali agaves over here. I did want to put them in planters, but I'm just going to go for it and put them in the ground here so they can get nice and big and be a welcome entrance to this plastic arch here that I really have to clean off because the water was so orange. So I'm going to have to clean that, but all in good time. Anyway, thought you'd be interested to see. I'll show you before and after, and you'll be amazed and astonished.